Hello guys, I am really excited about this video because I'm excited about shopping, I'm excited about fashion, I'm excited about style, I'm passionate about, putting outfits together and just the whole process of shopping physically, online. Just the whole thing makes me so happy and I think I have a good sense of style. I really hope so. I really hope that you guys think so too. And I am excited to be going to the Durban July for the first time this year. I always watched it with my mom and it was something that we loved doing each and every year. We never missed it, not so much for the races, but more about the fashion and the extravagant outfits. And it was such an event for us every single year. And my mom didn't get the opportunity to go, unfortunately. But a little heart-to-heart story, on the day of her funeral, I got an email from Forever New and they invited me to the Durban July and they said that they were gonna, style me for the weekend. And I was so emotional, literally so emotional, because my mom loved the Durban July and I feel like, especially on it happening on that day, I felt like that was her, showering her blessing on my life. And I get goosebumps when I talk about it because I just feel so proud and thankful to be able to go to the Durban July with a brand that I really love and have been loving forever. It resonates so much with my personality and so much with my style. And I wanted to make this whole trip a tribute to my mom and just do the best that I can in terms of styling. I'm really nervous, but I'm so excited. So I wanted to make this video for you guys and do a little haul because I get so many requests for styling videos and I never do them. I love shopping. I love styling outfits. I always show you guys my outfits in my vlogs and on my Instagram, but I just never get around to showing you what I get because, life gets busy. But I'm going to make an effort to hopefully make this the first of many styling videos. So I would love to hear from you in the comments if you like these types of videos from me so that I know to do them more often and I can do so many different brands. But this one is going to be strictly Forever New since I'm going with Forever New on this Durban July trip. So what I'm going to do, a little background and so you guys know how this video is going to go. I'm going to show you each and every outfit from my Durban July haul and what I'm gonna wear, and then I'm actually gonna bring you guys to the Durban July and show you how I put these outfits together. And I'm also gonna do a vlog, so that video will go up next. But that is me rambling way too much, so let's get into what I got when I went shopping for my outfits for the Durban July. And I actually got something that I picked up before I went shopping for the Durban July that I purchased myself, but the other items were gifted to me from Forever New. So I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Okay, so as I mentioned, I actually picked this item up prior to my shopping for the Durban July and I fell in love with it, you guys. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you really well on the camera. There's so many boxes on this bed, but this is a coat that I just feel like is something that will be in my wardrobe for years and years. It is so heavy and such good quality, and this one was around 1,700 Rand. I will link each and every item down below if I can, but these items are pretty new and they can still be found in stores at Forever New. So I picked this up a couple of days before my shopping for the Durban July. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear this, but I just wanted to show this to you guys regardless. I am such a packaging person. I don't know why, but I love scents, I love packaging, and when you walk into Forever New, you just smell that Forever New scent and you just feel like, oh, you just feel in heaven. And I love that they upgraded to these very luxurious packaging. They used to have this hot pink plain plastic bags and I just love the whole luxurious feel around your shopping experience. So I just wanted to mention that in case you haven't been to Forever New in a while like I have. I used to always shop at just Edgar's because they carry so many different brands, but I wanted to show you the first item. So just for reference, I am a size 8 normally in Forever New. I am 157 centimeters short. I'm not tall at all. And for reference, my boobs are 32D, and then my pants are on average size of 30, just in case you guys wanted to like compare your sizing to mine. If you wanted to shop online, I think you can shop online. I will leave the information in the description box, all of the links to all of the products, as I said, and my sizing, the price, everything. So this first item is this beautiful like grey olivey tinted slip skirt. It comes just below my calf, maybe just above my ankle, and I just love this, and especially a satin on satin look with this little cami. So I'm kind of spoiling it, but I'll show you what everything looks like all together when I go to the Durban July. So this is a very beautiful like satin, almost like a crinkled satin material, and flares a little bit out at the bottom, but I wanted to tuck it in. I always tuck in all of my tops, and I love this like draping detail like right at the front. I normally need to like size up with tops at Forever New because I don't think they cater for like busty women. I think they cater more for like the like really slim tall girl, but they do have a petite range, which I really appreciate. But this I got in a size 8. I didn't have to size up because the front is so like loose and ruffly. And then how beautiful, you guys, this is so pretty, and just love fur at the moment. Fur is so in and so extravagant and like Durban July-esque. I don't know how to explain it, but I really love a good fur jacket, and I'm excited for this one. It is grey, but it has like a warmy tint to it as you like move around, and I just love this so much. It's cropped, but I'll show you the entire outfit together. Next I have my Durban July outfit. Now I had a little bit of trouble to find like a Durban July outfit because Durban July is very extravagant, but Forever New is more like classy and beautiful. So I wanted something that isn't just a dress, and something that is a little bit different and cool and edgy, because I mean that is my style. I love florals, like certain florals, but this is so beautiful, you guys. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you on camera. I think I have a fluff on my nose and it's itching, and I don't want to wipe away my makeup. So yeah, this is a jumpsuit, and it has this cape at the top. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like that. It has a little bit of cleavage, and then it has this cape, and then it's like waisted with pockets, and then it comes really long till the floor. So this is going to be my Durban July outfit, and I'm going to pair it with this clutch. Very classic and like chic, but still like glammy. It's not diamantes, it's just little embellishments, and it kind of catches the light. I struggled to open this. The assistant had to like show me how to open this. So hopefully on the day I'll manage to like get my phone out of this clutch. I still can't get it open. Oh, got it. I am such a coat addict. I have literally no space in my wardrobe because I have so many coats. So in the summertime it's completely different, but during wintertime I have so many different coats, and I just love wearing a coat and like long coats, and just either dressing it up with heels or dressing it down with a pair of sneakers. I just love wearing coats. So I got another coat, you guys, and how can you pass this color? I actually have a very similar one in my wardrobe, but it's a little bit more like form-fitting and stiff. This one is a little bit more loose and casual. I love how it comes in the front, like flaps in the front like that, and then I love the little gold button. It has like a mock pocket flap, but it has a real pocket. On the side, you just need to unstitch it. And you can see over here, there is actually a pocket in there. This you can either dress up, dress down, and this was 1,600 Rand, I believe. And it's just called the 𝘱𝘢𝘳𝘕𝑑 coat in the shade Oatmeal. But I love a good coat, I love styling a coat. I'm planning on wearing this to the airport. Just a little heads up with like an all black outfit or like a monochrome outfit. Not sure, but I got a couple of more pieces that you can wear in so many different ways. I love this shade and I love the detailing on this satin blouse. It has like an elastic wrist, and then it comes kind of like a V in the front, but it doesn't come too low. You can actually clip this open and have it like really revealing. I am actually not really fond of this detailing over here. It's kind of like knots in the front. I have a short torso, so for me to wear things like that, it goes at a really awkward length, so I decided to just tuck it into jeans. And you can wear this top in so many different ways. And speaking about jeans, I got a pair and in love with 𝑥𝑦𝑦 New jeans. They fit my body so well. I prefer like a boyfriend girlfriend type of denim. I don't particularly love skinny jeans. I don't know, my legs are a little bit too short for that. The only time I will wear skinny jeans is when they are black or white. I don't know. I just love this type of cut. So this is called the mid-rise boyfriend denim. I actually got a size 6, and I don't know if this was a mistake or if I decided to go with a 6. I really hope that I took the right one. But this is just the Bridget mid-rise boyfriend leg ankle grazer. So it is a little bit shorter than normal jeans. But I do need to like roll it up once, and they do have a petite range actually where you don't have to. I'm not sure if this is from the petite range. I actually don't think so. But yeah, I love this. I barely own denim that do not have rips in them. So this is like a very classic blue wash with some shading in the front over there and at the back. So love those. And then a last item that I got that you can wear with basically anything. You can wear this with sweatpants, you can wear this with jeans, you can wear it with a skirt. Basically anything is this little cardigan. How beautiful is that? I love this rosy shade. I love the 3 buttons in the front. I got a size extra small. They don't go according to size numbers. I wish that they had like an extra small, because I wish that it would fit a little bit tighter, but I really like that it's cropped and you wouldn't need to wear anything underneath because it covers your bust and everything. So I'm excited to be sharing my outfits with you guys, how I put these together. So let's get into the Durban July. So guys, we actually just arrived in Durban, and this was my airport outfit. Unfortunately, this hotel room does not have a full length mirror, so this is the coat. I'm gonna try and show you guys, and I just paired it with some white sneakers. I don't know, this is the sneakers and some leather leggings, and just like all black with this coat. We actually just came back from dinner, so I'm about to get into bed. But yeah, this is how I wore the silk top and the slip skirt, and I just have some little booties on. So this is my Durban July outfit. I have a little 𝘱𝑦𝑦 New headpiece. I didn't show you guys this in the haul, but this is the jumpsuit. Has little pockets, really cool. And I'm actually really short for this jumpsuit, so what I'm doing is I'm literally just like tucking it underneath. Perfect. This is my dinner outfit. I went with the same coat that I wore for the airport, and then I just have this blouse. This is what the blouse looks like. Let me pop this here. This is the blouse, and then this is the jeans. You can actually clip this closed if you don't want the cleavage.
Clavage.
Clavage, darling. And then I'm just wearing like little nude sandals. My feet are so swollen. Ugh. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this styling video and how I've put it together. I would like to hear from you guys in the comments if there's a different brand that you would want me to do. Leave a comment down below, and then I'll pick up some items, do a haul, and then I can do like different concepts within the video. I just wanted to give a special thanks to Forever New for inviting me on this trip. This trip was not sponsored, but it was just such an amazing opportunity to go on, and obviously they gifted me with this clothing, so I wanted to give a special thanks to them and to you guys for supporting me, and to my mom in heaven, and just so blessed. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.